It's here, the most epic event of its kind. ScalerFab presents Scaled Up Moab Edition. Join ScalerFab on this all-inclusive off-roading and RC expedition and experience Moab like never before. Ride along or get behind the wheel of a dedicated off-road Jeep courtesy of Twisted Jeeps of Moab. Put your driver skills to the test as you follow the best guides in the business through the technical and challenging terrain of two of Moab's most exhilarating trails. Stop along the way and crawl with your RC through preset courses and combine the best of both worlds. During the event, you'll enjoy 3 nights accommodations in a suite in downtown Moab, continental breakfasts, on-the-trail lunches, catered dinners, and 2 full days of guided off-road and RC excursions.
You want to drive this?
No. I don't think I will ever want to drive. I will always be a rider.
Comes Casey. Thumbs up, Casey.
Don't miss your chance to be part of the first ever Scaled Up with ScalerFab this October 17th through the 20th. Tickets are $1,000 single occupancy or $750 double occupancy. Limited spots available and these will sell out. Event is sponsored by TerraFlex Suspensions, Milestar Tires, Bartact, RC4WD, Black Forest Gear by Webasto, Proline Racing, Jack's RC Recycle and Repair, CBE RC Fab, FYT Wear, Team K&K Hardware, ScalerFab and Work, World of Radio Control on Amazon Prime TV. You won't find an event like this anywhere else. Don't wait. RSVP today at www.scaledupmoab.com. No off-roading experience necessary. Flight and transportation to and from airport not included. 50% deposit required to reserve your spot. Balance due by July 31st. Must have comprehensive vehicle insurance and valid driver's license for Jeep rentals. See website for details.